Even though it's May the 4th in Houston, you still have to watch your back for Darth Vader and always carry a lightsaber. And you know I'm not the only one hungry walking down the sidewalk.
Hey homie, make me a Ronto wrap, cause man, I'm hungry.
Me too, homie. Let's remove our emergency Comtano case, which holds a plump wiener and special sauce. Take out your emergency bone-in pork chop and some pickled cabbage from the Honduran food truck. Disengage your concealed carry mini skillet and slide it on the sidewalk to preheat. The other day I saw a guy named Obi-Wan Kenobi running from a stormtrooper and dropped a baggie.
Leave me alone, Holmes. Where did he go? Man, the force is strong with this one.
Get over here.
It looks like SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Season your pork chop on both sides and cook until golden brown. I then started to have a bad feeling.
Get out of the way, you mangy Wookiee. Dang it, I missed. Hey fool, get out of my galaxy before I stick this up your dark side. Bad seasoning trooper, I am your father.
We've come a long way from where we began.
Come with me, my son. Daddy, where have you been? Princess Leia told me you went to buy beer when I was born and never came back. Man, I ain't your daddy. But as I stand here thinking about it, I think I might be your father. Son, as a token of my heartfelt apology for abandoning you, please accept my lightsaber. Psych! Ah! Take your arm and go to the back to tank. Now get the heck out of here before I stick this lightsaber where the sun don't shine. Get! Man, I thought I found my daddy. You have failed me for the last time.
Grab your wiener and place it on top of the pork chop. Energize your lightsaber set to broil and make some sear marks for flavor. Sometimes the neighborhood kids throw pita bread frisbees over my fence. Place some foil down to warm up your pita bread. Remove your Mandalorian multi-tool and slice up your pork chop. Place a few slices down on each side and slide your wiener in the middle. Make it rain with pickled cabbage and garnish with some peppercorn sauce. This is guaranteed to make any Star Wars fan happy.
At last! Where have you been?
Serve with an ice-cold glass of milk and pop open a bag of blue M&Ms. Pour them in and give it a stir. Watch it transform into the legendary Star Wars blue milk. Now a public service announcement from Darth Vader.
Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, or my lightsaber's gonna find your dark side. May the 4th be with you, homies. Have a blessed day.
I'm gonna tear this Ronto wrap up. Hi-ya!